Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given two linear equations and we will be tasked to find the values of A and B in this case, and also then simply draw the graphs and solve this equation bar. So for the red color graph, we are supposed to find this, and x value, y is A when x is 0. So for part A, I'm going to substitute the values in. Sorry. Three times 0 minus 4y is equals to A now equals to 10. So 3 times 0 is 0, so negative 4a equals to 10. Divide by negative 4 on both sides. I get my answer, negative 2.5. And same goes for my blue color line here. By is b when x is 4. I'm going to just substitute in. 3 times 4 plus 2b equals to 4. Minus 12 on both sides. Divide by 2 on both sides and you'll get negative 4. Now, part B, we are required to draw this graph from negative 2 to 4. Okay, so I will have my y-axis somewhere here. And because the highest value I see is 5, and the lowest value is negative 2.5, it can be somewhere here. So this one will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this will be y-axis, negative 1, negative 2, maybe negative 3. And I shall now proceed to make sure that I got this. Okay. Maybe negative 2, negative 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we are all ready to plot the two lines. Negative 2 and negative 4. Oh, this one reached negative 4, so probably I should extend this a little bit longer to negative 4, 0 and negative 2.5, 2 and negative 1, 4 and 0.5. And that will be my first line here. (3x minus 4y equals to 10). And the next line, negative 2 and 5. X is 0, y is 2. 2 and negative 1 again. 4 and negative 4. So this will be the other equation, 3x plus 2y equals to 4. And solve. Where do you think the answer is? Yes, the answer is at the intersection point. In this case here is 2. Y is negative 1, and therefore the answer that we are looking at for B, x equals 2, y equals negative 1, and We are done. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and have a nice day.